There is no other piston or turbine driven ventilator that you can take in its form and put it right into your working bag that you have right now today. In my experience doing both ground and flight critical care, as well as pre-hospital 911 services, this is a fantastic ventilator to get to the bedside of the patient, whether it's bringing it right in your flight bag, right to the scene of the patient. It's absolutely fantastic. It can't be beat for both safety as well as ventilator options with your SIMV volume, SIMV pressure. It does everything you would expect from a ventilator of this size without having to be dependent on compressed gases like an oxygen-driven ventilator would be. It can't be beat. It's unparalleled.